Navorsers het nuwe bevindinge vrygestel wat wys dat vroue van Afrika of Suid-Asiatiese afkoms geneig is om slegter uitkomste te hê as vroue van Europese afkoms. Hulle het ook belangrike genetiese verskille in die kankers van vroue van Afrika of Suid-Asiatiese afkoms gevind, wat die navorsers glo hul diagnose en behandeling kan beïnvloed. Dit beklemtoon die onderverteenwoordiging van mense van nie-Europese afkoms in kankerstudies. Tans maak mense van Europese afkoms byna 80% van die deelnemers aan genetiese kankerstudies uit, ten spyte daarvan dat hulle net 16% van die wêreldbevolking verteenwoordig. Hierdie wanbalans beteken dat die meeste van ons kennis oor borskankerrisiko, voorkoming en behandeling gebaseer is op Europese bevolkings. In vergelyking met vroue van Europese afkoms is bevind dat vroue van Suid-Asiatiese agtergronde byna 7 jaar vroeër gediagnoseer is en ongeveer 13 jaar jonger gesterf het. Hulle het ook gevind dat vroue van Afrika afkoms ongeveer 5 jaar vroeër gediagnoseer is en byna 9 jaar jonger gesterf het. Die navorsers stel voor dat huidige siftingsriglyne wat borsondersoeke vir alle vroue vanaf 50 jaar aanbeveel, dalk te laat begin vir vroue uit sommige agtergronde.
In 1994, a group of Namibians saw a need for a grassroots Namibian medical aid fund. The Prosperity Medical Aid Fund was born right here, among the hardworking fishermen and shipworkers of Walvish Bay. In 2001, in order to establish a fund focused on its members that put their health first, the fund formed its own identity away from its administrators, Prosperity Health. It was named Renaissance Health as a symbol for the renewal of medical funding in Namibia, a transformation in health. Renaissance members voted for their first board of trustees who would carry the fund forward for all Namibians. By 2010, Renaissance had members across the entire Namibia. A fund founded by Namibians for Namibians to ensure access to quality healthcare. In 2020, RMA was put to the test with COVID-19, supplying life-saving oxygen machines door-to-door to members when our Namibian hospitals were full, saving many of its members' lives. RMA is not just a medical aid fund, it's a partner in health for its members, whether through our chronic compliance programs or yearly wellness checkups. RMA was started by you. It belongs to you. A proudly Namibian first medical aid fund providing the best in care for all Namibians. Renaissance Health Medical Aid Fund, serving Namibia since 1994. RMA. Your health comes first.